Hello and welcome! In this video, we're diving into an exciting project created by one of our talented students at LeenaBot. Today, you'll learn how to develop a stylish and functional digital clock using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Our student has broken down every detail, from structuring the body to selecting background images and perfecting the color scheme. Stick around to see how it's all done, and let's get started.
Hello, today I'm going to be showing you my homework. This is the clock HTML. Here is the title, digital clock. Here is the JavaScript code, and that links to the clock.js, which is over here. This link dot equals style sheet href clock.css. That is the tag that links clock.html to clock.css, which is over here. And then that was all in the head tag. In the body tag, here it shows onload show time. Over here is the h1 tag. This is the first header. This align equals center makes of the screen. It's called digital clock. Then this is the division tag. Shows the ID is text, aligns in the center, and then this shows the time 12:03. This is the paragraph tag, and the paragraph tag says created by Perhan, which is me. And that was all in the body tag. Then let's see in the CSS file. Over here is the CSS for the body tag and everything inside it. Of the body tag is aqua color. The font is oblique. Font size is 50 pixels. Background color, this color, RGB to 128, 128. And then this is the text aligned to center. That makes everything inside the body aligned in the center of the screen. And this is the code for the styling for the header 1 tag. Color is blue violet. This is for the division tag. The color is blue. Border is 10 pixels. The lines are solid, and then it's black color. The border radius is 20 pixels. If you put border radius to like 20 pixels, then just a little bit of the corner of the square is rounded in each of the corners. The width of the division tag is 1,000 pixels, and then the font size is 100 pixels. The padding is 10 pixels, and then the margin is 200 pixels. And then moving on to the JS. This is the function call, function show time, and then everything inside this shows constant today, new date. Every time the time changes over here, then in there it changes that time to a new date. It says let h equals today dot get hours, let m equals today dot get minutes, let s equals today dot get seconds. These two are function calls. This is the ID that we called before in HTML. Here, division tag, that's the ID. Document dot get element by ID plus equals plus m minutes plus second. This is the set timeout. Show time 1000. And then over here, minutes, check time, and over here, check time is basically going into the I over here. And then if I, which is basically M, if M or I is less than 10, I equals 0 plus I, and then M equals 0 plus, and then return I. And then that same thing happens with the second.
That's a wrap on creating a digital clock using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. A big shout out to our student for this fantastic walkthrough. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring for your own coding projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Have questions or want to share your projects? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Want to learn more on how to develop your own game? Enroll at https://www.leenabot.com training, or send email to admin@leenabot.com.